Another important figure behind Red Bull's success seems to leave the team: Verstappen's race engineer Gianpiero Lambiase. He was born in 1980 to Italian parents in Bedford, England, directly in the Motorsport Valley, and joined the Jordan F1 team in Silverstone in 2005. He stayed with the team for 11 years, while the team transformed to Midland, Spiker and finally to Force India. Lambiase worked as performance engineer for Fisichella and then race engineer for Liuzzi, Di Resta and Perez. In 2015, he changed to Red Bull and became race engineer for Kvyat, and then in 2016, Verstappen. Both have an intensive relationship and are often described like an old couple. They secured 4 world championships together, and Lambiase climbed up the ladder in the background. While staying Verstappen's race engineer, he became head of race engineering in 2022. After the announcement of Jonathan Wheatley leaving to Audi, Lambiase was promoted to head of racing and became the 3rd highest ranking person in Red Bull's technical department, while staying Verstappen's race engineer. In 2025, he missed the races in Austria and Belgium for the first time, and now reports came up that he will either join Williams or Aston Martin. While Williams is an attractive, uprising team, Lambiase is not the classic race engineer anymore and is looking for some management involvement as well. And that is something that Stroll and Aston Martin can offer him. He would also be able to work with Adrian Newey again. Also, Newey was a race engineer before and both get along well. And on the other hand, with Newey and Lambiase on board, Aston Martin would be an attractive future landing spot for Verstappen, should he decide to look for another team. So what do you think? Where will Lambiase go and what will his leaving mean for Red Bull? Let me know in the comments below and check out my other videos for more.